Bringing to your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Grammy is politicized. Davido should have won over Tems, says fan. I'm proud of Tems' accomplishments, says President Bola Tinubu. Telecom tariff hike, federal government, NLC to meet over scheduled protest. Now the news in detail. A fan of Davido, the Afrobeat star, expresses his disappointment following the emergence of singer Tems as the winner of the Best African Music Performer category at the 67th Grammy Awards. The award ceremony sparked controversy among Nigerian music fans after Davido lost out in the category, which some believed he deserved to win. Instead, the Grammy organizers awarded the prize to Tems, a decision that has led to debates online. One heartbroken fan, identified as Don Billions on TikTok, took to the platform to voice his frustration, accusing the organizers of playing politics with the awards. In his emotional rant, he argued that Davido's talent and contributions to the music industry made him the more deserving winner. In other news, President Bola Tinubu has congratulated Tems on her second Grammy Award win, stating he is proud of her achievements. The president, in a post via his verified handle on X, formerly known as Twitter, on Monday, praised the Nigerian singer. He also congratulated Nigerians that were nominated in various categories, stating that the achievements have continued to inspire all Nigerians. He wrote, "Congratulations to Tems Baby on winning the Grammy Award for the Best African Music Performance. Love me, JJ. I'm proud of our accomplishment and those of Nigerian origin who were nominated for the Grammy Awards. Their achievements continue to inspire all Nigerians. Congratulations." And lastly, for tonight, the federal government and leaders of the Nigerian Labour Congress are set to meet over the NLC scheduled protest following the hike in telecom tariff. Recall that the NLC and its civil society allies scheduled a protest for Tuesday, 4th of February 2025 against the 50% hike in telecommunications tariff. The meeting is also to discuss NLC's opposition to 8 billion naira government budgetary allocation for electricity bill sensitization, which the labor movement described as the height of profligacy, wastefulness, and corruption. A source from the Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, SGF, which is hosting the meeting, disclosed that the meeting is scheduled to commence at 5 p.m. The source said the meeting is a dialogue on matters of national interest as it affects the Nigerian workers. According to the source, it will be an interministerial meeting with the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, SGF, purportedly to resolve issues raised by the NLC concerning the federal government approved upward adjustment to telecommunication tariff, which NLC, its allies, and others are vehemently opposing. We will continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.